Hello everyone, welcome to TECHNIA Science's vlog, BIOVIA Insights Unveiling the Future of Innovation. Join me on this exciting journey as we explore groundbreaking discoveries and cutting edge tech. Let's dive into the future together. Today, we are delving into the realm of data reporting with BIOVIA Pipeline Pilot. We'll show you how easy it is to create a compound profiling report in PDF format, elegantly displaying multiple columns on a landscape oriented page. This format is fantastic for presenting comprehensive data on a set of molecules. Data reporting is a vital aspect of research and analysis. It allows us to convey intricate information effectively. First, you'll need to import the dataset of molecules. The crux of this task involves arranging data in an easily digestible manner. We'll leverage the capabilities of BIOVIA Pipeline Pilot to format the report beautifully. Once your dataset is loaded, you can run the protocol. After executing the analysis, we will be the proud possessors of a compound profiling report in PDF format. This report will splendidly present data in multiple columns on a landscape-oriented page. Reports of this nature are highly advantageous in a multitude of fields, spanning chemistry, pharmaceuticals, and material science. They empower researchers and analysts to convey their discoveries and insights lucidly and professionally. BIOVIA Pipeline Pilot bestows upon us the power to fabricate compound profiling reports in PDF format. These reports, characterized by multiple columns on a landscape oriented page, revolutionize the world of data reporting.